Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing Eco-Wish's multi-color sweater, which looks like it could be crocheted. So the neckline is a large turtleneck. On the side, it falls just off the shoulders. As you can see over here, there's different color stripes all the way down. That's what the bottom looks like. On the sleeves, there's also different stripes. And then, ooh, I do like this sleeve over here, kind of like folded up a little bit. It comes in all different colors. So let me go ahead and try it on. It's a really relaxed neckline. Front and back are exactly the same. It falls down to underneath the bum. And as you see, off the shoulders, on both sides, super relaxed fit. Everything's loose, but it shapes you nicely because of the stripes and how it falls on the body. It goes down here as well, but you can always kind of tuck it in for a little French tuck and give a little bit more of a style to it. Once again, I'm loving the sleeves. I like that little detail right there. But in general, just a super nice, cozy sweater. But yeah, for more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment what you think about this sweater, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!